Hey guys, I just wanted to share this new subscription box with you. They were nice enough to send this to me to try out and just to share with you guys in case you're curious about what this is all about. This is called Girls That Make, and I will link to their webpage down in the info box so you guys can see what their options are and what sort of boxes they have and what the subscriptions options are. And this box is for girls to be able to get creative and to really make things. And you can do things like make electronics. I believe this one is a bracelet that lights up. Yeah, this one is a sparkly bracelet. So you're actually working to create a bracelet that lights up. And you get all of your instructions here in the little booklet that comes with it. So each box you get like a new project and it'll teach you how to make something that's pretty awesome. And so this is actually a pretty cool bracelet because you could use this with like a Halloween costume or just use it for fun. Earn rewards for completing projects. And then this is the box and it includes all of the items that you need to make whatever the craft is. So this is, oh, it looks like this is like magnetized, this bracelet. That's pretty cool. So this is the bracelet and then there's like all the different pieces in here. It looks like this is the part that closes on the bracelet once you've kind of hooked it all up and wow. So there's wires in here, there's some pins. Ooh, blink fade board. Add symbol effects to LEDs without programming. So that's pretty cool. This stuff is all very, very new to me. Let me know if you guys have ever worked with these types of projects. And, or if you've tried this box before and if you've made anything from it. So it looks like it really has everything that you need for the project, just like everything from pins and glue to like all the wires and all the components. So this is, and this sticker, it looks like she's wearing the bracelet here that you're gonna make in this box. So if you're really into projects like this, or you have a daughter who you think you'd really love to get into projects like this, then maybe you want to go check them out. And I will, like I said, link to their website down below. It seems like a really cool concept, and it's something that really just like gets you working with your hands, and you could work on it with a friend or work on it with your kids. It seems like a really fun concept. So I'm definitely going to be looking on their website and see if I see any other boxes that look cool. And let me know if you guys have tried this one out or if you've tried any similar boxes that have this type of project theme. Thanks for watching. Bye.